Today, we are focusing on numbers, a fundamental aspect of any language. We'll cover how to count from 1 to 25 in Yoruba, including both cardinal and ordinal numbers. Here is how to say and use Yoruba numbers in both cardinal, that's basic counting, and ordinal, that's position in a sequence forms. So those are what you are going to be talking about today. Last episode, we talk about Yoruba accent. That's where we talk about do, re, mi, do, re, mi, do, re, mi. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, I will implore you to go back to our previous episodes to check what we have done so far so that you will know what you have done so far. So today, as I've said earlier, we are going to be talking about numbers. We'll do number 1 to 25. Number 1 to 25. So I will first say it in cardinal form. After that, I will now say it in ordinal. So let's start. Odo, 0, odo, odo. Kini, that's in ordinal form. Kini. 1, ọ̀kan, ọ̀kan. In ordinal form is kini, kini. 2, méjì, méjì. You can call it kg, kg. 3, mẹ́ta, mẹ́ta. In ordinal form is kẹta, kẹta. 4, mẹ́rin, mẹ́rin. In ordinal form, they call it kẹrin, kẹrin. 5, márùn-ún, márùn-ún. You can say karùn-ún, that's in ordinal form, karùn-ún. 6, mẹ́fà, mẹ́fà. You can call it kẹfà, kẹfà, kẹfà. 7, méje, méje. Keje, keje. 8, mẹ́jọ, mẹ́jọ. You can also call it kẹjọ, kẹjọ. 9, mẹ́sàn-án, mẹ́sàn-án. Kẹsàn-án, kẹsàn-án. 10, mẹ́wàá, mẹ́wàá. Kẹwàá, kẹwàá. 11, mọ́kànlá, mọ́kànlá. You can also say kọkànlá. 12, méjìlá, méjìlá. You can also say kejìlá. 12, méjìlá. You can also say kejìlá. 13, mẹ́tàlá, mẹ́tàlá. You can also say kẹtàlá. 14, mẹ́rìnlá, mẹ́rìnlá. You can also say kẹrìnlá. 15, mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dógún. You can also say márùndínlógún, márùndínlógún. Karùndínlógún. 16, mẹ́rìndínlógún, mẹ́rìndínlógún. You can also say kẹrìndínlógún. 17, mẹ́tàdínlógún, mẹ́tàdínlógún. You can also say kẹtàdínlógún. 18, méjìdínlógún, méjìdínlógún. You can also say kejìdínlógún. 19, ókàndínlógún, ókàndínlógún. You can also say kọkàndínlógún. 20, ogún, 20, ogún. Both in sequence form and in ordinal form is ogún. We call it ogún in Yoruba. So 21, 21, mọ́kànlélógún, mọ́kànlélógún. You can also say kọkànlélógún, kọkànlélógún. 22. Méjìlélógún, méjìlélógún. You can also say kejìlélógún, kejìlélógún, kejìlélógún. 23. Mẹ́tàlélógún, mẹ́tàlélógún. You can also say kẹtàlélógún, kẹtàlélógún. 24. Mẹ́rìnlélógún, mẹ́rìnlélógún. You can also say kẹrìnlélógún, kẹrìnlélógún. 25. Mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n, mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n, mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n. 25. Mẹ́ẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n. You can also say kẹẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n, kẹẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n, kẹẹ̀ẹ́dọ́gbọ̀n. Those are the Yoruba numbers. Those are the pronunciation of Yoruba numbers from number 1 to 25. Try to practice all these numbers at home by yourself. As they do say, they say practice make perfect. So I will implore you to practice. Thank you for joining today's lesson on Yoruba numbers 1 to 25. Stay tuned on this channel for more fascinating Yoruba lessons. Stay tuned. In the next episode, we are going to continue numbers from number 25 to 50. We are going to continue. I know you wouldn't love to miss it. Stay tuned.